Have you ever wondered how tiny organisms affect our lives? Bacteria play crucial roles in our environment and health. Let's explore their fascinating structure. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms. They come in various shapes, like spheres, rods, and spirals. Their small size often makes them invisible to the naked eye. First, let's discuss the outer layer. Bacteria have a protective cell wall. This wall helps maintain their shape and protects them from external pressure. Next, inside the cell wall is the plasma membrane. This structure controls what enters and exits the bacteria. It's like a security gate for the cell. Now let's focus on the cytoplasm. This jelly-like substance fills the cell. It contains all the essential machinery for the bacteria to function. Within the cytoplasm, we find ribosomes. These tiny structures are responsible for protein synthesis. Proteins are crucial for bacterial growth and reproduction. Another important component is the DNA. Bacteria have a single circular chromosome. This is their genetic blueprint, guiding all cellular activities. Some bacteria also have plasmids. These are small circular DNA molecules. Plasmids can carry genes that provide special advantages, like antibiotic resistance. To visualize this, think of a factory. The cell wall is the building, the plasma membrane is the security, and the cytoplasm holds all the workers and machines. In summary, bacteria have a simple yet effective structure. The cell wall protects, the plasma membrane regulates, and the cytoplasm contains all the vital components. Now that you understand bacteria, consider their impact on our world. Explore further to discover how they influence ecosystems, medicine, and technology.